Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside the TikTok app on the account that owns the space. First, open your profile or live dashboard, then tap the three dots to reach Manage and Moderation settings. Once there, verify you are listed as host or owner. If not, you cannot change roles. Now locate the moderators list and scan names to identify the specific moderator you want removed. Make sure to pause any active stream or scheduled event, because changes apply most cleanly when activity is minimal. You tap the moderator's entry to open role controls. Choose Remove to revoke privileges immediately, or pick Demote if you want to retain limited access. If you prefer continuity, select Replace and assign a new moderator by username. Type carefully to avoid errors. Once you make a choice, TikTok shows a confirmation dialog. Read it, because this action can be irreversible for that session. After confirming, watch the moderator list refresh to ensure the person is gone, and then notify your team of the update. You finish by double-checking the moderators list, and if available, the role change log to confirm removal. Once done, make sure to refresh the app or log out and back in. Some role states cache and need a reload. If the moderator still appears or retains access, try reassigning, then removing again, and document steps taken. If problems persist, collect timestamps and screenshots. Then contact TikTok support. Provide proof of ownership and the specific user info for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.